How to enable ray tracing in Minecraft. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go down and click on marketplace. Now from here what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on the search button all to the right corner on top. Now from here you're gonna have to search up RTX. So now from here you're gonna have to pick this one right here, click on free. Now from here click on download, and if it does allow your computer to download, this means your computer could handle it and you could actually play it. Then once it downloads, you're gonna have to click on create this world. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on create again. Now basically, it's just loading this world right now. Once you're in the world, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on escape, click on save and quit. Now you're gonna have to quit off Minecraft. Now what you need to do is just cross this out. Now from here, you're gonna have to open up a browser. It does not matter what browser you open up. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this button right here. You're gonna have to search up Minecraft Ray Tracing Pack. Minecraft Ray Tracing Pack Bedrock. Just search that up. Now I got to click on the first thing right here where it's that Planet Minecraft. Now from here, once you're on the website, you have a lot of options you could choose from. Every single one have RTX with it. If you scroll down, I kind of like the look of this one right here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click on this one. Then I'm gonna scroll down, click on download Bedrock texture pack. So every browser will download the files differently. So just go and close off your browser once it downloads right here. Once it downloads, just cut this out real quick. Go to your file explorer. Then from there, make sure you go to downloads and make sure the file you just downloaded, which is first one right here, make sure it's MC pack files, because this is how we go and install research packs. So make sure you understand that. Now that it has successfully installed, what you gotta do is just open up Minecraft. Now just go and click on play. You could create a new world, or you could just go and click on the existing one, but I'm gonna just click on create a new world. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down. Now from here, you're gonna have to choose your game mode, things like that. Now from here, you're gonna have to go under to the left on side, click on research pack. So if it doesn't show up right here for some of you guys, what you have to do is you're gonna have to click on the files again, go to your downloads, click on it again. Now from here, if you click on it again, it should say import started. Now it's gonna show up, you know what I'm saying? Now from here, all you gotta do is just click on activate. Now from here, I'm gonna just create this world. Now as you guys can see, once I load into my world, I do have ray tracing on. So every single ray tracing pack does look different. So mine does look a little different. But if this video helped you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.